Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new vlog. It's me, Michelle, and as you see by the title, I'm going to be doing a new Primark haul. It's been long ever since I done a Primark. I think so 2-3 months have passed by. So I just went to Primark recently and I saw a lot of summer collection, but I just got a few things, like a very few things, and that's also a bit pricey. So I felt like I should just limit my shopping, and there's a lot of blue collection all over, like in Primark, which was really cute. I like felt like buying everything, a lot of white and blue. It's looking really cute, so I just picked up some of the Primark haul, just a few things, nothing much, but just few, maybe like 4 to 5. So I just picked up this and let's see what we have, because I'm really excited to do a Primark haul and you would love to watch this. So let's go. So the first thing that I picked up from Primark is this jacket that I'm obsessed with, because just look at the color. This color is my favorite. It's my go-to color ever. I don't know, recently I'm being like obsessed with this color. It's been like almost 3-4 years now, so I am obsessed with this, and I so lucky that this was the only size that was left in Primark at my high street, so in Hounslow. So I just picked up this, and just look at the way it looks. Like, just look. It's called this lightweight crew neck jacket. I don't know why it's called a crew neck, so probably it's just a round one. So the hands look somewhat like this. It is quite baggy, and it's not like elasticated right here, which I don't really like, because that gets really annoying to, like, very uncomfortable kinda. So the hands look somewhat like this. It's somewhat loose around here. It has two pockets with a nice button right here, so the pockets are like quite deep enough to fit your some money, just like 10 pounds or so. And it has a nice zip closer, so the zip is like very smooth, you see. And the inside looks somewhat like this. It has a good fabric, because it doesn't like remove all those particles to your top, or it doesn't like remain the stains, which I like it. So the inside looks somewhat like this, very nice and soft, so it won't, that thing won't come onto your top inside what you're wearing. So that's really good about it. And I got this in a size small, so the overalls are like somewhat like this, and it comes under near my waist. It's not that cropped actually. So I was looking for a nice trench coat on Zara, which was too expensive. I feel like that was 49 pounds, just 20 pounds extra, but still. Last year I had got one trench coat and I returned it. It was the same color as this, and it had like all, those strings coming all over. So I felt like that was not worth it at all. So I just returned it, because it was not looking good at all. So I am happy with this one, because so I got this in a size small, and it is for 26 pounds, which is quite good. I feel okayish, but kind of expensive for, you know, it happens. Once you go to Primark, you'll come up with a bill of 100 pounds, but I avoid that thing. I don't shop as much. Even if I shop, I will think about it. So yeah. And this is the one, the jacket. So the behind looks somewhat like this, and it has like I don't know what it's called, but elasticated right here. So it's all like elasticated, which is nice, which makes it look more something different. If it would be straight, it wouldn't look that good. So yes, I'm really happy with this product. I would give this a 10 on 10, because you can like put any overalls on this, like, any kind of t-shirt to top inside. You can style it with different things. Even with the dress would look really good, even with a nice bodycon dress. So yes, I am really happy with this one. So yeah, I just forgot one thing. I just kept my lamp for charging until until I could start my vlog or something, and I forgot to keep it out there. So let's put it on now, because I feel like it's quite dull in here. So oh my gosh. So yes, it's looking much better. So yeah, with the next item, I have a cute top actually, and I got this from Primark as well. and this is what I was talking about. So they have nice blue and white collection full of embroidery, blue and white. For girls like very short, they would look really nice in those dresses. I am 5'4" and I look quite tall in that, but I don't prefer wearing short, but I prefer wearing long because I don't know, wearing short I feel like very uncomfortable. So that's why you always see me in jeans. I have to like change my style to something else. So yes, I just picked up this one, which is looking absolutely cute. It's like a really nice a crop top. You can like wear this for summers. This is for summers, but there's no summer in London. The weather is like quite dull here, but yes, that's how it is. It's quite cold and dark. So, and yes, I got this one. The material is like quite good, very nice, very chic. You can like style it for, many different ways. You can like wear a nice white linen pants, which I already have, and I don't need to buy actually. I already have. So thinking that, I just picked up this one. This was like just hanging around there and I just like grabbed it. I'm like, let's just buy this, but it's quite expensive. I feel like on Shein I would get it more cheaper, like for £7 to £8 or £9 or even 10. But I feel like this is quite cheap. This is for £16 in Primark. Like, I feel like it's quite expensive for Primark, but I don't know. It's cute. I wore it and I checked. It's like really cute. So I don't know if I should keep it or return it. Just comment down below if I should keep it. Like, just tell me. So yes, this is the way it looks. It's a nice coral blue color. So yeah, with the lighting I feel like it looks kind of lightish. So yes, I totally love this one. I would give this a 10 on 10 actually, but it's quite expensive for like £16. If I was in Goa, I would have not spent 1,600. You get me? Unless and until it was a nice bigger brand, because yeah, I feel like I wouldn't. So I don't know if I should keep it or return it. Anyways, I would give this a 10 on 10 actually. And moving on to the next one, I just picked up one t-shirt that was cute. It has nice sunflowers right here, and this is like just for, how much is it? Just for like £3. So I just like picked up this like oversized t-shirt to like wear at home or something. It looks really good. Everyone wears this. These are like very common everywhere. Everywhere I go, you will see someone wearing this. So I don't really prefer buying them, because just not because like everyone wears it, but yeah, of course, like yeah, you will get it. So I just got this one, and it's like for a sunflower. So it's like really very cute. So these are like very comfy as well. You can like just wear at home, be in your comfy kind of era. So yes, I just picked up this, and those are like just for £3. Also like got another one in yellow as well, because yellow has been lately my favorite color. It's a nice buttermilk yellow. So I'm really obsessed with this color. I don't know why. I don't know, with the brightness you feel like it's very lightish, but it's a nice, what to say, baby yellow. So it's like really cute. I totally love this colors so much. Like, I'm just obsessed with yellow. Last year I was obsessed with pink. No, it's been 4 years I'm obsessed with pink. Still I'm obsessed with pink. You can see it behind. So yes, I just picked up this and the blue one as well. These are like good to have, because you can like just wear it at home actually, and these are like just for £3. So I don't know where the price is. Yeah, just for like £3. So it's quite good. You can like buy it for like daily purpose or rough tough use, day-to-day wear kind of use. So yes, you can like definitely have these ones. And yeah, I like it. I love the yellow. And then up next I have a cute pillow. Sorry, a cute throw pillow. I don't know what I'm saying. So it's this super soft small throw blanket actually, and I got this in a bow and teddy bear, because I am obsessed with teddy bears and bows. Anything you see on Instagram, my, what to say, emojis and everything will be full of bows and bows and teddies. So that's why I got this one. This represents me. This is kind of me, so I had to like get this. It's a cute mini small throw blanket. you can like use, because in winters my hands get really cold. I like keep using my phone sitting inside my couch or whatever in my bed, and my hands like get really cold. So I like need this one to like cover up my hands. So I just got this. It's super lightweight. It's not heavy at all, like very very comfortable. You can like just put in your, what to say, tote bag even and take it on a flight or whatsoever if you like feel like. Yeah, you can like travel with this. Actually, they have many different, you know, prints. Like one was there of the fruits one, which I have the mug from Primark, the fruit throw blanket, and the teddy one, and the others I forgot, I don't really remember. So yes, they had at least like five different prints, five different options. So I picked up this in a bow and teddy. So yes, this is for like 4.50. I feel like that's not too bad. You can like gift it for like kids or something. You can like also gift them this, which is a really good gift option. So yes, I totally love this one because it's really cute, and it has teddies as well. So yes, I love it. And also it like, you know, see this print it is. I did not really open it because I like to keep it the way it is. I don't really like to open, so that's why, I don't know, I had got these things. It's been like a month ever since I got this. So yes, it's really cute. I am obsessed with this one. And up with the last item, so that's one of my favorite actually. Everything is my favorite. So I got this cute bag from Primark, and it's a dupe version of Longchamp, which I already have. I have the blue, navy blue kinda Longchamp. That's the original one. So this I got for like £10, and I had seen this, I think so, in January, and I was like, it looks too big. Like it's, you know, too big. But then I saw one girl carrying it, and I felt like, oh, it's really cute. I should like go and like buy it. Like, you know, hopefully they would have it in stock, because I didn't really know it they would have it. So there was a light blue, black and red, and also beige. So but I picked up the black one because black would like go on anything. I feel like blue I would have to like, you know, decide what outfits to like put on. So when the blue one looks really cute, actually I can like get it on every outfit, every different color. So I just picked up this one, and it's really very nice. I just got this for £10. The, you know, what to say, the handles are like nice and brown. These are like good to even gift anyone, like to gift people, like when you come from UK or something. So yes, it's totally a nice, what to say, nice purchase that I have done, because it fits a lot of stuff. They also have a nice compartment right here, and another one right here with a zip closure. So yes, it is quite big actually. I feel like it's a size of a larger one, because I have the medium one, Longchamp, the medium one. It's quite inside. I would have like showed you. My drawer is really packed. So I have the navy as well. So I got the blue one, and it's really a good budget. It literally just fits like this. I think I like wore it. I wore it in my previous video. Yes, you might have seen it there. So this is the way it looks. It looks quite big, but it fits a lot of stuff, and that's what I like about it. Because, and also it's a deep version of Longchamp, so I had to get this one. They also have a mini versions of this, but those are for £9, and this is for £10. And the £9 doesn't make any, it's, I feel like no use of buying it. Even I feel like should have been of like £4 to £5 was like quite good for it, but £9 was too big. And this is, if you like put £1, you'll get the whole bigger version of this. So yes, I am obsessed with it. Yeah, and this was the last purchase from my Primark haul. Hope you guys like it, and tell me if you, what to say, if I should return or keep that item, because I really don't know. And tell me which is your favorite one. So with that, I come with the end of the vlog. I would give this a bag 20 out of 10 actually, because everything I gave just 10 out of 10, so I had to like give 20. So yes, hope you guys like the video. I'll come up with more such videos next time. So see you in my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching and help me grow at least to 1,000 subscribers, because it's taking me too long. I swear it's taking me too long. So yes, see you in my next one. Bye.